Hey trainers! A new Pokémon GO weekly challenge is officially live, and this week, we are all about spinning those PokéStops. But let's be honest, walking around in the heat or rain for hours just to hit dozens of stops isn't always an option. What if you could finish the entire challenge from the comfort of your couch in just a few minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using MagFone Location Changer. Start by connecting your phone. Go to your phone settings, find the software information, and look for the build number. Tap it 7 times until it says you are now a developer. Once that's done, head into the new developer options, find USB Debugging, and switch it on. Grant the necessary authorization on your phone screen when prompted, and boom, you are good to go. You can choose to teleport to hot spots with dense PokéStops, like Zaragoza or Tokyo, or set up a custom multi-spot route to simulate natural walking. Fire up Pokémon GO, and you'll see your character moving flawlessly on the map. Since this week's challenge requires us to spin a massive number of PokéStops, you can just use the joystick or multi-spot feature to cruise down a street lined with stops. It's incredibly smooth, fast, and completely safe if you follow the cooldown rules. Honestly, after using MagFone, the only thing you actually need to worry about is whether your item bag is big enough. If you want to save time and try MagFone Location Changer for yourself, I've left the download link in the description below. Drop a like if this video helped you out, subscribe for more gaming tips.